Because the caravan is empty when we picked it up, we've had to like try and think of everything that we'll need.
Yeah, alright, that's the fridge, that's the freezer. I want them to come over, but I don't.
I'm kind of scared of dogs, so yeah.
No, well, the good thing these are seals.
So it's not a good sight to be worried about falling off a cliff,
But it's
like
okay,
my fear.
because Chelsea's brought her own shock. Hey everyone, check this out. We are so excited.
We have got ourselves a new car.
It's a Chevrolet Silverado and we've got this thing to play around with for 2 weeks.
We are also storing the caravan here in Melbourne and picking up an Ezytrail camper. We don't know much about either of them yet, but we're going to be learning about that for the next 2 weeks while we test them out.
Yep, so we're joining What's Up Downunder and Everything Caravan and Camping to do a trip of a lifetime.
So the trip of a lifetime is pretty much, they tell us we're starting at Apollo Bay and we don't know anything else. Every morning when we wake up, we find out what activities we're doing for the day, tours. It's going to be pretty cool.
Yeah, so we've got no idea what's going down, but we're keen as. So we're going to take you guys with us and show you what we get up to. So the caravan has been in a bit of a mess the last couple of days, trying to get everything sorted.
We've got like 3 clothes bags between us and all massive duffel bags too. We have to pack so much because we do not know what we're doing.
And it is an empty caravan, so we've got to sort of organise everything, think of everything that we use day to day and then take it with us. Feels weird filling up a car with 98 and unleaded. Not used to this.
Please do not put diesel in the car. Imagine that.
Wouldn't that be embarrassing?
Good morning. We have just stored the caravan. Oh, it's super sunny as well. We have just stored the caravan. That's horrible. And heading to Ezytrail to pick up our little caravan. We don't know much about it, so we will let you know all the details very soon.
And we are navigating our way through Melbourne, and sorry guys, but I don't think I could do this every day. This is stressful.
What, driving in Melbourne?
Just driving in Melbourne in general. And I think we're only going around Melbourne too.
And I think probably because we're not in our own car, we're in a bigger car, everything's a bit different. We're trying to learn like where the indicators and things like that are, because everything's like opposite to our car.
But I must admit, it is very fun to drive. It's going to be really cool doing this for the next 2 weeks. But there is nothing like your own car. We are missing the Ranger because we haven't actually driven it all that much, and we've got it set up how we want it, and now I don't have my canopy with my fridge and tools and bits and pieces, so that's probably the bit I'm going to miss the most.
Look, we can actually see out the back for once.
Oh, and check this out.
Oh, what? Alrighty, we have picked up the Ezytrail and done about an hour's driving. Now the essentials first.
Time to put some beers in the fridge. I gotta work out how to open it. Okay, wrong side.
We've got lots to learn over the next few weeks.
Yeah, alright. That's the fridge, that's the freezer. Now we are on our way to Apollo Bay after stocking the fridge and getting everything ready for later on.
We have lots of unpacking to do when we get there, so we're going to be getting there about 1 o'clock, and we don't have to technically meet up until late this afternoon with everyone. Because the caravan is empty when we picked it up, we've had to like try and think of everything that we'll need. So it's not a good sight to be worried about falling off a cliff.
But it's
like
okay,
my fear.
because Chelsea's brought her own chalk. They did give us the 2 chalks, but Chelsea's gone, no, I need extra chalks, or I'm just going to be paranoid.
No, I brought my super chalk, which is like...
What, better than the normal chalks?
Yeah,
Kinda.
It's a super chalk, come on.
Super chalk.
All right, make sure you do the other side, please,
Yeah.
Bryce.
This is actually super stressful having like somebody else's caravan, like a rental caravan almost. Like We just tried putting the awning out and it's electric, and then we got a little bit of breeze and then it started flapping and I was like, nah, we'll just put it away.
Now that we're all set up and got everything in the caravan, we'll just give you a little bit of a tour. It's not going to take long because it is quite a small caravan, but it is super cozy.
This is the bed. It is a king size bed, which is absolutely wicked because Chelsea can stay all the way over there and then I can just hang out on my side. It's going to be great.
We're just having a bit of a snack. We're going to meet up with everyone from the Whats Up Downunder and everything in Caravan and Camping crew very shortly. And also some other people. I think Maya Coolman are here, Ezytrail. The list probably goes on, but we're still trying to remember everyone's names. And also the other influencers that are on the trip with us. So
as you can see, this is where the bed pulled down earlier when I was setting it up. Actually adds heaps of space. So there's about probably 2 foot of bed here. The mattress does fold in half, which is quite cool as well. But yeah, it makes a really cozy, comfortable area to just hang out, have a beer, have some chicken and a biscuit and relax before a big couple of weeks.
That's a sponsor, Chicken and a Biscuit.
If anyone's watching from Chicken and a Biscuit, I'd love a sponsorship. Dixie drumsticks and chicken crimpies.
Yeah, right. Just watching some TV. We've got all these cupboards, we've got all our clothes in here and up the top. And then our bathroom is combi shower and toilet. We did bring the washing machine along as well. So this caravan has an outdoor kitchen. It doesn't have any cooking facilities in here, but we did bring a kettle. So we're thinking if it's really cold in the morning, we'll make our coffee in here before we have to go outside into the cold and light the stove. What did we think about?
Fridge is outside too, so if I want any milk, I'm gonna still have to go outside and brave the cold.
Oh, good thing I like a long black. Sucks for you.
There is also an option for a little dining table. We've opted to take it out just so it gives us a little bit more space in here to move around and yeah, get in and out.
A new home for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive.
Good morning. We didn't do any filming last night, sorry, because it was just a meet and greet and we really didn't want to have the camera out for that. But this morning we are heading down for breakfast. It's about 7 o'clock and then we've got a couple of things happening today. Again, everything's a surprise, so we don't really know what it is. I don't think we have an experience today as such, but we are doing some product stuff with everything caravan and camping. What do you reckon? We are all kitted out now in our everything caravan and camping.
Yeah, all kitted up.
So we all get colours. Now some of the other teams are blue. Well, not teams.
Good, yeah, we're not teams, we're not fighting each other.
So some of the other groups are red, blue, and then we're navy. So yeah, I feel like we got navy. A good colour.
Yeah.
Matches all of Bryce's Reese shirts.
Yeah, I'm in this colour all the time, so it suits perfectly.
So Bryce's wardrobe now is just navy, navy, navy.
So at the Big 4 Apollo Bay, they've got a pool and supposedly it's heated, so...
Heated.
Heated.
Oh yeah? Maybe 30 degrees? Here, you have a try. What do you reckon? What's your expert opinion?
Yeah, that's probably around 30. I reckon maybe 30.7 or something.
Oh yeah?
To be a little bit extra precise. Yeah, but I feel like it'd be absolutely freezing once you got out.
Oh yeah, 100%.
So I don't reckon you're going to see us in there. So we've got a little bit of downtime on the first day, so what better place to go than a brew house? So they actually don't do paddles until after 2 o'clock, so we must be here a bit too early then, but pints will do instead.
I've got a mango sour.
Yeah, and I can never go past the pale ale.
Oh yeah, that's good. It's very
Yeah, that
refreshing.
gets a nod.
Good morning. We have a bit more going on today. We're doing some product testing this morning with everything caravan and camping. Bryce is just out there displaying how he uses things at the moment, and I'm just standing in the background watching because he's doing a much better job than me. Then this afternoon, we're going with some others to do an experience. Now, we don't know what it's going to be. They said they hope we like heights, which makes me a little bit nervous, but we'll take you along for the ride. Alright, we are on our way to our experience, which we don't know anything about. We've got Matt and Paula in the back from Everything Caravan and Camping. Bryce is a driver.
Yep, I'm the chauffeur around.
And we're just following the camera crew out now to our experience. We've got a feeling that it could be like a helicopter or something, but then we don't really want to get our hopes too high in case it's like a museum or something not as elaborate.
Like a railway museum or something. I'm kind of hoping for like a brewery. That would be nice.
Oh yeah,
yeah.
Just stressing out a little bit. We have no idea what we're doing.
Just filling out to our son, Tom.
Same.
There's kayaks here, there's water. We didn't bring bathers. Just trying to think logistically how we're meant to get in and out of a wetsuit without bathers underneath. Bit stressful. It's not a helicopter ride. I think we definitely got our hopes up. It is kayaking, and we think it's with seals. We still don't know that much about it yet. We just had to sign a declaration. Winds are picking up. I don't know if we'll be in bathers, wetsuits, but it's pretty cold down here at the moment. We'll let you know how it all goes because we are very in the dark still.
So we will be changing over to our waterproof GoPro. So sorry if the audio goes to rubbish now. Now, just a warning, these wetsuits don't leave too much to the imagination. It's cutting me in half a little bit, and it's cold.
Sure it is. I think it looks like a beautiful day.
Hey, check this out.
We just got out through the waves, which was the most nerve-wracking bit.
Yeah, that was a bit hectic. You probably can't hear this either, but yeah, well, it's actually not too bad now. Now, sorry for the real close-up angle. I've got you attached to the life jacket. There is so many seals over there, and you're definitely not going to see it on the GoPro, but that's crazy. There's probably, what, maybe 40 or 50 of them there?
Yeah, that's so cool.
That's wicked.
Oh, there's some in the water too.
Oh, maybe they'll come over. Hey guys, we're over here. They're actually all playing just here. That's so cool. There's so many.
That's right, isn't it?
Yeah. I just have to chuck a volleyball at you, Chelsea, and you can balance it on your nose.
Oh, look at him. Right, keep filming.
Hey guys. They're having a wicked time. I wonder if they're going to come over.
Oh.
Chelsea's like, I want them to come over, but I don't.
I'm kind of scared of dogs, so yeah.
No, well, the good thing these are seals. Oh, here he is. Oh! Where's he going to pop up? Where's he going to pop up? Oh, wow, that's so cool. should have brought some fish out for him.
No.
Oh, that's only little. Oh, look at him.
I'm a little bit nervous.
That's so cool. Hey guys. Just like big puppy dogs, hey. Hey guys. Hi.
Well, we've come back drowned rats because we stacked it on the way in.
Yeah, we capsized, but it was such a cool experience. There was like probably a bit over 300 seals out there. They were all jumping and crashing in the water, and that was really cool. Well, we're going to wrap this one up here. If you have liked this one, make sure to like and subscribe. If you've got any questions, make sure to drop them below and we'll get back to you about filming, what we're up to, what it's been like, anything like that. And we'll see you next week. Catch you later.